Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chef Pigster from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's start with the curve across in the middle. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and in. And then another curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, let's move inside and draw the nostrils with 2 circles. Okay, next let's move up and draw the eyes. Let's draw 2 circles above like this. And then another set of circles inside. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's draw a curve above each eye. And the same thing underneath. Next, let's draw the shape of the head with the curve above it. We'll start on the bottom left and let's bring it up, around, and back down to the other side. Next, let's hop up and add the hat. We'll start with 2 lines up, then a longer curve above it, then let's curve it up and in from both ends. And now let's close off the top. Now in that bottom section, let's draw 4 vertical lines. And then above each of these lines, let's draw a curve up. And that's it for the hat. Next, let's move next to it and draw the ears. Let's draw a pointed curve up and back down on both sides. And then let's do the same thing inside each ear. Next, let's hop down and finish drawing the rest of the body. We'll start on the left here and let's draw a curve down, bringing it out and back in at the end. And the same thing on the right. Now in the gap on the left, let's draw the arm. Let's continue it down from the side of the head and down into the body. Then inside at the end, let's draw a small curve for the fingers. Now let's hop back down to the bottom and draw a curve to close off the bottom of the body. Next, let's move inside and draw the eyes on the belly. We'll start with 2 circles. Then inside, let's draw another set of circles near the outside top. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, above each eye, let's add another curve. And the same thing below. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the mouth. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down and dipping it towards the center. And the same thing from the right side. Now for the ends, let's continue it down and curve it in. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve. Next, let's hop inside and add the teeth. On the top, let's draw a long tooth on the left, and then a shorter one next to it on the right. Now let's add one more on either side. Next, let's move down and draw the bottom row of teeth. This time, let's start in the center and draw a curve up and down for the first tooth. Then a smaller one on both sides. And then again, another smaller one. And lastly, for the mouth, on the bottom, on the sides, let's draw a curved line. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop down and draw the feet. Let's start with 2 curves down. And then another set on the outside. Now let's close off each foot with 2 bumps. And that's it for Chef Pigster. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!